Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Atlantis Exodus using an easy method. Your primary objective is to save as many Atlantean citizens as possible before the city sinks, earning victory points over 5 years. Begin by setting up the impressive rotating city rondel and your individual player board. Remember, each of the 5 years consists of 3 distinct rounds, guiding your king's movement from the inner to the outer city rings. A crucial part of your strategy involves placing your king on the city rondel. Each placement grants you immediate resources, such as settlers or valuable favor tokens. Over 3 rounds, your king will navigate from the inner to the middle, then to the outer ring. Carefully consider the walls that restrict movement, always aiming for spaces that provide the specific settlers or building tiles you need most for your evolving plan. Once you've gathered settlers, the next step is to train them into specialized professions using your available actions. Then, strategically send these trained citizens to various locations like residences, ships, or workshops. This not only earns you immediate points and unlocks special abilities, but also contributes to your endgame score. Don't forget to construct pillars of remembrance. They offer powerful, repeatable effects throughout the game. Victory in Atlantis Exodus hinges on smart scoring. You'll have 3 in-game scoring opportunities after years 2, 4, and 5, focusing on your settlements and evacuated citizens. Work towards completing rows and columns of buildings on your personal board for significant bonuses. Finally, ensure you maximize your end-game points from collected monuments, valuable knowledge cards, and fully constructed pillars of remembrance to become the legendary savior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.